Chad Investor Visa explained requirements and benefits. Chad, located in the heart of Africa, is an emerging destination for investors seeking opportunities in untapped markets while obtaining residency in a developing economy. The Chad Investor Visa offers foreign investors the chance to legally reside in the country, contribute to economic development, and potentially secure long-term benefits for themselves and their families. If you've ever thought about combining business growth with residency in Africa, understanding Chad's Investor Visa is essential. Many people assume that simply transferring money to a foreign country automatically guarantees residency, but most get this wrong. The Central African government requires investors to actively contribute to the economy through tangible projects, job creation, or business development. This means that your experience, strategic planning, and ability to execute a viable investment plan matter just as much as the funds you bring. Eligibility is the first step. To qualify for a Chad Investor Visa, applicants must have a proven track record in business or investment. Typically, 5 years of experience managing a business or overseeing substantial investment projects is required. This ensures that investors are capable of successfully implementing their projects in Chad's unique market environment. The authorities want to see applicants who can demonstrate financial prudence, leadership skills, and a genuine commitment to the local economy. Next, let's discuss financial requirements. Investors are required to have legally obtained personal assets, with a minimum net worth usually ranging from 0 to 0 USD. These assets must be verifiable and acquired through legitimate channels such as business operations, property ownership, or prior investments. Transparency is critical. Investors must clearly demonstrate the source of their funds to be considered. Attempting to hide or inadequately document assets is a common mistake that can derail applications. Once eligibility and financial standing are confirmed, applicants must select their investment pathway. Chad encourages investment in sectors that align with national development goals. These include agriculture, mining, infrastructure, energy, and manufacturing. By choosing projects in these priority areas, investors not only increase their chances of approval, but also contribute meaningfully to economic growth. For instance, an investment in modern agricultural techniques can create local employment, improve food security, and introduce innovative practices to the region. The application process involves multiple steps. Step 1 is preparing and submitting a comprehensive application package. This includes identification documents, proof of financial resources, business experience records, police clearance certificates, and a detailed investment plan. A strong investment plan is crucial because the government evaluates the potential economic impact, job creation, and feasibility of the project. Many investors underestimate this stage, thinking that the capital itself is sufficient. A poorly structured plan can delay approval or result in rejection. Step 2 is the due diligence phase. Authorities review the applicant's background, financial sources, and investment plan in detail. They may conduct interviews or request supplementary documentation. This rigorous review ensures that all investors can deliver tangible economic benefits and that their funds originate from legitimate sources. It is the step where strategic planning and clarity are most critical, as even high net worth individuals can be denied if their investment plan lacks substance or credibility. Step 3 is making the approved investment. Depending on the type of project, this could involve transferring funds into a government-approved account, establishing a new business, or partnering with a local enterprise. Chad emphasizes active engagement, meaning investors are often expected to oversee operations, provide guidance, or participate in management to ensure their investment contributes effectively to the economy. Passive investments without oversight may not meet program requirements. Step 4 is obtaining the investor visa. Once the investment is verified and deemed compliant with regulations, the authorities issue a residency permit. This visa allows investors and their immediate family members, including spouses and dependent children, to reside legally in Chad. With residency, applicants gain access to local healthcare, education, and other essential services, making this an attractive option for families seeking relocation alongside business opportunities. Maintaining residency status requires compliance with specific rules. Investors must spend a minimum amount of time in Chad each year and actively participate in their investment activities. Failure to adhere to these requirements can result in the loss of residency. Keeping detailed records, monitoring business operations, and understanding local laws are essential practices for long-term success. One of the major advantages of the Chad Investor Visa is the potential for permanent residency and eventual citizenship. After a period of continuous residency, typically 5 to 7 years, investors may apply for citizenship, granting full legal rights including voting privileges, unrestricted business operations, and greater global mobility. Citizenship can also serve as a long-term security measure for investors seeking stability in a region with evolving economic and political landscapes. Investing in Chad offers additional benefits beyond legal residency. The country has a low cost of living and a largely untapped market, which provides opportunities for higher returns on investment compared to more developed economies. Key sectors like agriculture, energy, infrastructure, and mining are growing, and early investors can gain first-mover advantages. For example, developing modern irrigation systems or solar energy projects can position an investor as a leader in emerging markets with strong growth potential. Lifestyle benefits also play a role. Chad offers a culturally rich environment, diverse natural landscapes, and a slower pace of life compared to major urban centres elsewhere. Investors who value both opportunity and quality of life may find Chad particularly appealing, especially if their business allows for flexibility in location and operations. It is critical to engage local professionals during the application process. Legal advisors, investment consultants, and business experts familiar with Chad's regulations can help navigate the application process, structure investments appropriately, and ensure compliance. Many investors fail because they underestimate the importance of local guidance, assuming the process is straightforward. Expert assistance can significantly reduce delays, optimize investment impact, and increase the likelihood of visa approval. In conclusion, the Chad Investor Visa is a strategic pathway for individuals looking to combine investment opportunities with legal residency in Africa. By meeting eligibility criteria, preparing thorough documentation, investing in government-approved sectors, and actively participating in the investment, applicants can secure residency for themselves and their families. The benefits extend beyond capital growth. They include family security, potential citizenship, access to healthcare and education, and the chance to be part of a developing economy with substantial untapped potential. Chad's investor program rewards careful planning, active engagement, and alignment with national development priorities. The most important takeaway for prospective investors is simple: success requires more than money. Combining financial resources with business expertise, a credible investment plan, and local engagement can unlock long-term rewards in both economic and personal terms. For investors ready to contribute to Chad's growth, the Investor Visa represents not just an opportunity for residency, but a chance to be part of a nation's emerging success story.